Here's a new 2020 Porsche Panamera. Behold an expression of strength and poise in this uncompromising machine. This is a Porsche for every day. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, voice activation, heated steering wheel, adaptive suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and auto-shift manual transmission. Power, performance, Porsche. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
From the time you come into our facility, you can see why Napleton Westmont Porsche is different from the competition. Call, click, or stop in today. We are located at 201 East Ogden Avenue in Westmont.